Hey learners, hope you all are doing well. I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself. Let's continue with our Vedic Math series. In the previous session, we discussed about multiplication of any number by series of 1. And in the previous session, I took examples of multiplying any number by 11. We'll continue with the same trick by taking some more number of ones. So stay tuned till the end. And don't forget to make this video also 100 plus likes. We'll take one more example, that is multiplying 203 with 111. As I said in the past session, find how many number of ones are there. There are 3 ones. One less will make 2. So now we are going to put how many dots or 0 on both the side of your multiplicand, 2 zeros. But now instead of adding 2 consecutive numbers, you have to add 3 consecutive digits. That is only the difference. Otherwise, the procedure is same. You have to move from the right side towards left side. See, put 2 0 on both sides of multiplicand and after that add 3 consecutive digits. I hope you're understanding it. Yes, if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. We are receiving lovely messages. Many parents are requesting for taking some special batches of Vedic Maths for their kids. This is really encouraging us. So let's continue with this example. After putting 2 zeros on both the end, we'll get 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 0. Only the difference is instead of adding 2 consecutive, we have to add 3 consecutive digits. So tell me 0, 0, 3. After adding 0 plus 3 is 3. Next, 0, 3, 0 will get 3. Next, 3, 0, 2, 5. Next, 0, 2, 0, 2. And finally, 2, 0, 0 is 2. That's all. Isn't it easy? Yes, the 203 into 111 will give 22,533. That simple it is it? I'm sure you want to solve many more questions. Let's take one more example. Multiplying 201432 into 111. How many zeros we are going to put on both sides? 2 zeros. 0, 0. 201432. Again 0, 0. Now fast in your mind you should do. Add 3 consecutive zeros from the right end, 3 consecutive digits from the right end and proceed towards the left. 002 will give 2. 023 will give 5. 234 will give 9. Now tell me 341, that is 7 and 1, 8. Next 410 will give 5. 102 will give 3 and 020 will give 2 and finally 200 will give 2. That's all, and that is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's solve some example very quickly in your mind. I'm expecting that you're doing it in your mind. Now multiplying 111 with 111. Now we have to assume there are 2 zeros on both the end and add consecutive 3 digit. Tell me 001 is 1. 011 is 2. 111 is 3. 110 is 2 and 100 is 1. That's all. Isn't it simple? Yes. One more question. 2035 into 111. Let's see. Now you do it. Tell me 2 zeros on both the end. So 005 is 5. 053 is 8. 530 is 8. 302 is 5. 020 is 2. And 200 is 2. That's all. One more example for your practice. Tell me about 90321 into 111. Again, we are going to assume two zeros on both the end. So tell me fast. 001 is 1. 012 is 3. 123 is 6. 230 is 5. 309 is 12, but 1 carry. So I'll put 2 here and keep 1 carry in your mind. Okay? Then 090 is 9 and 1 carry. 10 will keep 0 and again 1 more carry. And last, tell me 900 is 9 and 1 carry. 10. So finally the answer is 10. One more for your practice. Let's see. Tell me now, if we multiply this, again two zeros on both the end? Yes. So first we are going to add 003. 003 is 3. 030 is 3. 302 is 5. 021 is 3. 212 is 5. 120 is 3. 206 is 8. 060 is 6. And 600 is 6. That simple it is. Isn't it? Let's take one more example in which we'll increase number of 1. Now in this case, can you see the number of 1s are 4. So according to your procedure, as many number of 1s, 1 less. And that many dots or zeros you are going to put towards both the side of your multiplicand. Let's try it immediately. So after putting 0, we are going to get 0, 0, 0, 210432 and again 0, 0, 0. Only the difference is how many consecutive digits you are going to add? 4 instead of 3. Now 4 when we add, tell me 0002 will give you answer 2. Next 0023 will give answer 5. 0234 will give 9. 2340 will give again 9. And 3401 will give 8. Next tell me 4012 will give 6. 0120 will give 3. 1200 will give 3. 2000 will give 2. That's all. That simple it is. Don't you think it's easy? Yes. And guys, the same technique can be applied for any series of digits. For example, multiplication of numbers with a series of similar digits in multiplier. As an example, suppose you want to multiply 333 into 222. What you'll do is, you'll multiply 222 with 2 into 111. You're getting it? Means see, I'll simplify and show you. 333 into 2 into 111. Is it? And that will give you 666 into 111. And after that, you'll follow the same procedure which we have seen in this session. Isn't it? See, like similarly, suppose I want to multiply 3021 into 333. Now that 333 will represent as 3 into 111. Is it? And after multiplying 3021 into 3 will give you 9063 into 111. I hope you are getting it. The similar technique can be applied for any series of multiplier. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep evolving, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you. God bless you.